So over here, you can see that I have a form right here. And now let's see how we can add a website field block over here in this particular form. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on the form and click on the plus button right here. And then I'm going to type in website field right here, just like this. So you can see that website field pops up, and as I add it in, you can see that this is the website field. I want to add it in this particular form itself, so I simply need to click and drag it, and I can drag and drop it anywhere I like, as you can see right here. And then you can make this required and so forth right here, and add this field where people can go ahead and type in their website right here as they like as well. So let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and add in a date picker block as well. So in that case, you can simply go ahead, do the same thing, click on the plus button and type in date right here. And then you can see that date picker actually pops up right here. So if I were to go ahead and then, let's say, for example, move this up right here, then you got the date picker as well, just like this. You can change this out according to how you want right here, and then you can make it a field required and so forth. For the date picker, you can also go ahead and change around the date order as well, just like this. And this is what you have. You can change around the color of the label text and so forth according to how you want right here for the form as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. And if I were to go ahead and save this out, then this is what you have now. So we have added in 2 more fields to our form. So if I were to go around and then, let's say, for example, expand it, then you can see that I can go ahead and then you can see that I can type in the date as well, but I can go ahead and choose a date as well. I can go ahead and modify the date out, and then you get the date picker accordingly right here. So you can see that you got an interactive date picker. Then on the website field, you can go ahead and add in your website just like this. It's simply a plain text field right here. And that is how you can go ahead and add in website field block and date picker block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.